So anyway, hey, here we are, Saturday again, not Saturday morning, but today is Saturday afternoon. Our producer was in a land far away visiting a friend. So
Yep. So we got a full load today.
Tell
We've
everybody
got
what we do.
24.
yeah,
We let me take that out. Sorry. We tell you all the homes that sold this past week in Port Angeles and Sequim and beyond. And so we had a load. Maybe the market's starting to fire up again.
yeah,
We'll
looks
see.
like it.
So, okay.
What?
Turn around. No, your ear thing is.
Oh, is it backwards?
It's the little pokey thing is.
Oh,
It's all swirly.
I know. Any of you guys wear hearing aids? I mean,
No fun.
it helps Amy a lot for me to wear these. Anyway, okay, and we're going to start with Port Angeles, and we cover Port Angeles and Sequim and the surrounding areas. Sequim, we go to Diamond Point. Port Angeles, we go out to Joyce and west of here ways. So then
We're really just dealing with homes at this point, not land, because we have 24 of them. So
yeah, and we just land is a beast to itself. Okay.
All right, I'll start off.
Okay.
This first one is on East 2nd Street. It's an interesting looking one. There's a few of these in town, a stucco looking, like they should be in New Mexico or something. Listed for $325. It's sold for $228. So it must have needed some love. That is somebody grinding something, if you can hear it.
Mike is
Mike.
trimmer.
2 bedrooms, 1 bath, 158 days on the market. Built in 1937 with 1,011 square feet and on 0.32 of an acre and a mountain view.
Cool. Next one is on 5th Street, West 5th. Originally priced and sold at $250,000, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. 3 days on the market, built in 1945 with 672 square feet on a standard lot at 0.16 of an acre,
I don't
and they
think
have
that's
a
standard anymore. But
neighborhood view.
okay. And the third house is on Hennessy Lane, listed for $279,000. It sold for $287,000, so $8,000 over. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 7 days on the market. Built in 1972 with 1,008 square feet on 0.23 of an acre and a neighborhood view.
Okay, we know this one.
Yes, we do.
Okay, this
We
is
did
on.
a tour time of this one.
Did we on this one? Yeah, we had this one listed for a while. For what was it?
50.
$450, and it's on South Eunice. Originally priced at $425.
Well,
then-
with this realtor.
yeah,
We had it priced at $450
originally priced.
because that's what he wanted.
Yeah, so we told him nah, probably about $350. But hey, he got $375, and 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 57 days on the market. Built in 1882 with 1,748 square feet. We had 0.17 of an acre, saltwater and mountain view. Sort of.
Yeah, and the 5th house in Port Angeles is on East Sunnybrook Meadow behind Safeway. This one is a manufactured home, listed for $440. It sold for $420. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 8 days on the market. Built in 2002 with 1,778 square feet on 0.36 of an acre and a mountain view.
Next one is on View Ridge Drive, and this was originally priced for $449,900, sold at asking. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and with 14 days on the market. Built in 1994 with 1,302 square feet and just a little over half an acre with a mountain view.
Cool. Moving along, house number 7 in Port Angeles, on West 12th Street. Listed for $439. It sold for $450. 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, built in 1979 with 1,136 square feet on 0.21 of an acre and a territorial view.
Okay. East 13th Street. Originally priced for $499,000. This is our next house. Sold for $510. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1 half bath. 18 days on the market. Built in 1920 with 1,648 square feet, and 0.16 of an acre. Mountain View.
Okay, moving along to Morse Lane. This is down Four Seasons. Listed for $513. It sold for $517,500. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 5 days on the market. Built in 1978 with 1,756 square feet on 0.27 of an acre. I don't know
Like
why I was like, I couldn't get through.
running a marathon here.
Yeah.
Okay, the next one is on Breezeway. Breezeway, creative name. Originally priced for $540,000, sold for $520,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 14 days on the market. Built in 1983, with 1,776 square feet and 1.35 acres, with mountain view.
Cool. Now this next one is on East 6th Street. It's 2 house and an ADU. Listed for $560,000. It's sold for $536,500. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 5 days on the market. Built in 1930 with 1,429 square feet on a 0.16 of an acre and a mountain view.
Okay.
I know we're doing this kind of fast because there's a lot of them.
Yeah.
Today.
So the next one is on Deer Park Road. So Deer Park is one of the several, 5 or 6 roads that go from Highway 101 up into the mountains. Our daughter and her family lives up 6 miles up Deer Park.
No.
What is it?
Blue Mountain.
Oh, she's on Blue Mountain.
Always has been.
No wonder I couldn't find her.
Oh, jeez.
Deer Park. Anyway, forget about Blue Mountain. But
Don't tell her.
Deer Park. Yeah, Deer Park was the original entrance to the national park, or so I've heard.
Yep.
Okay, so anyway, originally priced for $599, sold for $590. 1 bedroom. 1 bedroom. Wow. 2 baths. 19 days on the market. Built in 2009. Looks like a big garage, doesn't it?
Yeah, it is. That's why it's just 1 bedroom.
616 square feet. 3.83 acres with a territorial view.
Okay. The next one is on West 9th Street, on the way over on the west side. Listed for $659,000. It sold for $650,000. 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2 days on the market. Built in 1988 with 2,839 square feet on 0.32 of an acre, and it has a saltwater and mountain view. Cool. And the last house is in Port Angeles.
Okay. The last one in PA, it was on West 12th Street, and originally priced for $635,900, sold at asking again. 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, 6 days on the market, built in 1970, with 3,192 square feet and just a skosh under 1/3 of an acre. Mountain view.
Okay, now we're going to start in Sequim. We have a couple less than Port Angeles, but still. This one is on a manufactured home on North 5th Avenue in Sequim. Originally listed for $159,000 and sold for $154,000. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2 days on the market. Built in 1990 with 1,296 square feet. Sorry, vitamins. It's on leased land and a mountain view.
Okay, good.
If you got this far, you win.
Yeah, if you're still with us. Okay, the next one is on Runyon.
Runyon!
Get your motor runyon. Anyway, 3.
Head out on the highway.
Was that Steppenwolf or the Doors?
I know.
Anyway, one of those. So,
Steppenwolf, I think.
Steppenwolf, so
'Cause
originally
it's the
priced
theme.
$350.
Isn't that the theme to the motorcycle show?
Get your motor running.
Yeah.
What motorcycle show?
Easy Rider.
Oh, could be. So, for you youngsters, that was a long time ago.
Everybody's dead.
Yeah, anybody who saw it is dead, pretty much.
Oh, really?
Okay, anyway, sold for $360, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2 days on the market, built in 1918. Wow, it's been around.
Yeah.
Over 100 years old. 1,170 square feet on 0.21 of an acre. Mountain view.
Cool. Now we're moving on to North Brown Road. It's was listed for $419 and it sold for $375. Bit of a drop there. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 22 days on the market. Built in 1914 with 1,196 square feet on 2.77 acres and a mountain view.
Okay. Yeah, Sequim doesn't have a lot of these older homes. Port Angeles, like most of the homes are older. This next one is on East Spruce Street. Originally priced for $359,000. Sold for $385,000. So happy seller there. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1 day on the market, built in 1986 with 1,193 square feet and 1/4 of an acre.
Very good. Moving on to North Scott Drive in Sequim. Originally listed for $724,950. It sold for $125,000 less.
Wow.
At $599,950. Some realtor missed the price on that one.
Yeah.
2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 361 days on the market. Good grief, a year. Built in 1978 with 2,060 square feet on 2.11 acres and a mountain view.
Okay. And Sequim has all these cool names for their streets, like Sable Court. We just have numbers and letters for ours. So this is originally priced for $625,000, sold at asking, 3 bedroom. Excuse me. 2 baths, 1 half
We're
bath.
being quite musical today.
I know. Built in
Hi.
1994.
Okay, I'll finish it.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
In there.
We'll have to
That's Winnie.
start that over.
Okay.
You're Glenn, right? Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, pretty good.
All right.
Hey, Winnie, come on.
Finishing up Sable Court. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1 half bath, built in 1994 with 2,156 square feet on 1.15 acres and a mountain view. And since Brent is helping the cable guy, I will continue on until he gets back. The next one's on Mount Baker Drive. This is a condo, I believe, a condo townhouse over North Sunland. Listed for $769,000. It sold for $685,000. 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 92 days on the market. Built in 2010 with 2,347 square feet and small 0.1 of an acre and a territorial view. And we've got 3 more. The next one's on Broadmoor Street in Sequim. Listed originally for $840,000. It sold for $828,000. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 16 days on the market. Built in 2010 with 2,447 square feet and a 0.22 of an acre and a mountain view. Take it away, Brent. Okay, we're moving along here. This next one is also on Broadmoor, too. Must be a nice neighborhood, too, because this one was originally listed for $1,150,000, and it sold eventually in 76 days for $985,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 76 days on the market, built in 2023 with 2,011 square feet and 0.29 of an acre and a mountain view. And the last house in Sequim is on Schoolhouse Point Lane. This one was listed for $1,249,950, and it sold for an even 1.2. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 5 days on the market. Wow, that one went fast for being that expensive. Built in 1949 with 1,620 square feet, had 10 acres. That's a real draw. And it was saltwater, at least saltwater view. It might have had a saltwater access too. So that pretty much rounds it up. I did mention to one of you that the houses all look pretty scruffy because we don't have permission to use it from the MLS on each one. So Logan takes it from the county. And sometimes homes sell and then they make them real nice and then they sell them again. So
Post those pictures
Are they? Okay. But yeah, everything's crazy priced right now. Everywhere. I mean, just go buy gas. It's crazy. So I guess that wraps us up for this week. And thanks for all of you guys who continue to the end. And we sure would like to see you subscribe, like, or call or email us or something. We love you guys, and thank you for watching. Have a good one.